National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Boone County in central Iowa, northeastern Dallas County in central Iowa, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:38 p.m., a shower capable of producing a tornado was located near Granger, or 8 miles northwest of Grimes, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Woodward around 9:50 p.m. Majored around 9:55 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.